Printing Tesla Grille Decals. Tiger Teeth by MoodGrille.
MoodGrille specializes in Tesla grille decals specifically designed to enhance your Model 3 grille. MoodGrille's tiger teeth design fits your Tesla Model 3 perfectly and is simple to install. Your decal is semi-permanent, which means it will stick to your Model 3's grille until you remove it, leaving the underlying paint undamaged. Its expected lifetime is 5 years and is printed on 3M's vehicle vinyl and gloss laminate. Your kit includes a 3M applicator and instructions.
Visit moodgrille.com for more Tesla grille decals. Drive with attitude.